Have you ever felt the pressure of selling the options not knowing if the strike selection was right? Or worried about those sudden market moves going against you? You are not alone. Option selling can be powerful, but only if you know how to control the risk smartly. In our last video, we explored how to buy options using QuantMan's option basket tool. Today, we are flipping and diving deep into the world of option selling. Whether you are new to selling or looking to sharpen your edge, this strategy will help you simplify your decisions, automate the heavy lifting, and gain better control over your trades. So we are going step by step to build a powerful rule-based option selling strategy using QuantMan platform. Let's turn those risky trades into smart and confident ones. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. As usual, log in into QuantMan platform. Once you have logged in, go to Create Strategy page. For this strategy, we are going to backtest from 2019. As per SEBI's restrictions, we are not allowed to show the last month report. So I am taking it from June 27, 2025. So as it is a selling strategy, I am going to rename it as selling strategy. The instrument that I am going to choose to trade is Nifty. In add indicators, there will be a default current candle of 5 minutes on the spot chart. I am going to delete this indicator. The first indicator that I am going to open is options basket. As it is a selling strategy, I am going to open two legs, which is call sell and put sell, both of one lot which will be traded in ATM. So here I am going to sell a time of the day is about 9:17. So this means that at 9:17, whatever the strike price is there for both the sell of call and put, that strike price will be locked. So whatever entry condition I have been giving will be taken for the strike price at 9:17. I am going to give save. And I am going to add another indicator, that is current candle. This current candle will be of 3 minutes chart for the entire basket. Another indicator that I am going to add is Supertrend of 10,3 in 3 minutes chart for the entire basket. The next indicator that I am going to give for the better confirmation is Bollinger Band of the 10 and 2 multiplier of 3 minutes chart for the entire basket. I am going to add another indicator, that is pivot point. This pivot will be for the entire basket. So let the RSI be 14 period in the field of basket. As of now, I have selected the instrument in which I want to trade and I have added indicators to it. But still, I didn't tell to QuantMan what action to take place. So let's add all the entry conditions. The first entry condition that we are going to give is current close is below Supertrend. So in the combined premium chart, we will make profit only if it crosses below the Supertrend. So now I am going to add another condition, that is time of the day is above 9:17. And also another condition like time of the day is below 3 o'clock. So my trade should happen between 9:17 to 3 o'clock, not after 3 o'clock. Now I am going to add another condition, that is current close is below Bollinger middle band. So whenever my current close is below the Bollinger Band, I will be entering into my trade. So the last condition that I am going to add is RSI is below 40. So only if all the conditions are matched, I will be entering into the trade. So my exit condition will be time of the day is about 3:15. So now I am going to open my basket. For this strategy, I am going to add one adjustment. Now let's see what that adjustment is. So I am going to give my current close is above Supertrend. Thinking if my market got reversed, I will be exiting from my trade. Now I am going to close the basket, both leg A and leg B. I am not going to give any transaction target or daily target. The maximum trade that I am going to take here is 10. So now let's backtest this strategy. So these are the results from 2019 to 2025. So if you see here, your winning probability is also above 50%. Your drawdown is also less than 30,000 for the past 7 years. So you can see all your heat maps over here and the transaction details over here. Yeah, that's it for today. A complete walkthrough of a simple yet effective option selling strategy inside QuantMan. So what's next? Log in into QuantMan, backtest this strategy and make it yours, and let your trade speak for yourselves.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.